UNICEF estimates that over the past 2 years of this war, children in Ukraine's frontline areas have been forced to spend between 3,000 hours and 5,000 hours underground. That's the equivalent of between around 4 to 7 months. So just take a moment, try to imagine spending what would be the equivalent of 200 days over the past 2 years confined to a basement, to a bunker, to a hole in the ground. That has been the reality for so many children on Ukraine's front lines. The situation around mental health has become absolutely devastating. The psychological scars are running deep, and they are deepening by the day. The data, which I will share straight after this, also shows that around 3/4 of young people have recently reported needing some sort of psychological or emotional support. A fraction of those are getting it. We have heard a lot, and we tend to admire the resilience of Ukraine and its children, and for very, very good reason. But we must not forget what this resilience is costing.
2 years on, after this escalation, we see that people in Ukraine are still pushing forward. Businesses are moving. People are trying to build their lives, but it's all under this constant threat of bombardment and uncertainty. In the hardest hit areas, that are close to the front lines, people are having trouble accessing essential services, medicines, food, even water, medicine. But even away from what they call the line of contact here, air alerts are constant. Many internally displaced people are still living without any kind of certainty in the center and the west. Unemployment and high prices are affecting many other vulnerable people in those communities as well.